Hi, fam. Welcome back to my channel. This is the country chick with braces. Eh. Super crazy. As you can see, I'm in my room. The door is locked. And my kids are screaming, and their dad's out there, so he can handle it. They're like wrestling and doing whatever else boys do. Okay. So, I had mentioned, sorry, I'm still like in a lot of pain. But I mentioned to you guys that I would be getting more of like mystery stuff, like mystery boxes. And guess what? One of them came in from Amazon. I was actually surprised. It's a little one. Like, it's really like, it's not that big. But I thought it was cool, you know? You don't know what you're getting. This one was a makeup one. So, a makeup mystery beauty bundle. I have not opened it yet. Ooh, dun dun dun. Looking at all that beautiful stuff. La, 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 la. Okay, see all this stuff? We are going to find out today what is in this box. Are you guys ready for this? I am so ready for this. And don't be hating on my eyebrows. I know they need some love. They need some love. They're all over the place. I got a new mic, by the way. This is from Amazon. Y'all, don't be hating. Just appreciate. I'm a beginner, right? So I gotta do something. But I saw this microphone and I was like, you know what? I think this will be good. This is a wireless mic, and kind of hard to explain, but like there's a little piece right here, and then like there's a piece that hooks in to the what you call it, headphone jack in my cell phone, kind of while I'm like holding it up. So I was like earlier thinking like, how am I gonna open this? I'm probably gonna have to lean this against something. Oh, this is hurting me so bad. On Monday they're probably gonna take the wire out and redo the wire. Ridiculous. Okay. So let me see if I can find a way to hold this without it moving too much. Yay! But I feel like I'm so far away. Am I too far away, guys? Whoa. Let me try this spot. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, that one's not going to work. Let's try. What is all this? Let's try. I feel like we're close, but no cigar. Ooh, ooh. That might work. Okay. Are you guys ready for this? Oh! My camera's going crazy. Okay. Y'all ready for this? Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. The makeup mystery bag. Oh! It fell. Let's try this again. Dun, 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 dun. The makeup mystery bag. Stay. Don't go nowhere. Okay. It comes in this beautiful pink little bag. These are 3D silk mink volume lashes. I actually wear magnetic lashes, but somebody else might want to wear these, the ones that you wear with glue. So does it come with glue? Let me see. Comfortable band, ultra soft, lightweight, up to 10 uses. I don't see any glue in here, but who knows. Okay, what is this? What is this? Ooh, hemp seed cucumber makeup remover. Ooh, I'm excited to try these. These are nice. Beautiful. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, what is this? Beauty Treats Hello Lip Tint. What does lip tint do? Tint your lips, right? Let me see. I don't know if I believe it. Ugh. I think it's like, oh, don't fall. Stay. Stay. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Ooh. Okay. Lip tint. So just like gives it a little. I like this. Do you like this? Okay. Doesn't really taste like anything, which is great. I want to know how long it lasts. Like if it just like comes off or if it lasts. Okay, what is this one? Perfecting. This is called Amor Us. Oil-free, poreless, skin perfecting, shine control, translucent face primer. Can you all see that? Okay. Let me see what this is all about, y'all. Let me see. Oh, so it's like this. Okay. And then I'm just going to put some on my skin. See what it does. Oh. So it's completely clear. So it must just like blend in to your skin. But it like kind of just makes it look, you know, softer. I don't really notice a difference. Do you? Let's see. Maybe it's a little bit, I don't know. I'll have to put it on my face one of these times, maybe. Okay, this one is by Nabi. Long lasting lip gloss. Oh, it's a matte. Ooh. Let's see. I think it's a matte. I think that's what it says. Natural. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the like, comment below, and subscribe. I am definitely trying to reach my subscribers, and we're going to be doing some giveaways here soon. And right now, my braces are mint green, but in a month, I'm going to get them changed to a different color. And if I pick your color, you're going to get a $25 gift card. And if there's a tie, well, then we'll have to like do a drawing. Okay, how am I going to open this one? No! It's not wanting to open. So, is there anything that you guys want me to review? Is there anything that you guys want me to cook or bake or decorate or look into for you? Let me know. I want to hook you up. Just kidding. But yeah, like, I love to cook. I love to try new things. So if you are from another country or you have a recipe for something, let me know. Let me see what this one looks like. You guys ready for this? Did you hear that door? Mom. Come on, dinner's ready. Thank you. Close the door. Close the door and lock it. Thank you. Bye. Well, I have to say, they lasted 11 minutes. Props to my children. They lasted 11 minutes without me. It's like a nice... It's like a nice soft look. My lips just look fat right now because these dang braces. But I will let you guys know how these work. These are probably just giveaway. This I'm not too sure about, but I already used it, so I can't give it away. And this I'm going to try. So, y'all. Tell me if what you guys want me to review as far as, like, mysteries. I have, I have a, mystery, I have a, what is it? It's like a bigger, like a big box of, like, electronics and stuff coming. It's a mystery box. And then, I have those candles. I'm trying to think of where I got the candles. I don't know if it was Jackpot candles or... Now I don't even remember. But those should be coming in soon. And I got a couple of those. So they have, like, the ring that comes with it. So, yeah. I'm looking to that. I will be posting, like, every day. Sometimes once, twice a day. I just really want to build up the channel. And I'm going to be offering like some coaching stuff for free. Like, I'm just going to go over different type of, like, disease processes. I'm a certified nursing assistant, and I've done some prereqs for my nursing. I specialize in hospice, memory care, and long-term care. And so I'm going to be doing some videos on hospice, the process of dying, sort of the stages of the emotions that go along with that for the family, and a lot of times for the person. So stay tuned. Don't forget to press subscribe. Comment below what braces color that you think I need to get next time. If I choose yours, I'm gonna send you a $25 gift card. And whoa, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see when I can do another video. Let me know if any of you guys signed up for TaskRabbit. That thing is so cool. I don't know if you watched my other video, but watch my other video. I really like this lipstick. Okay, but it's kind of all over the place. Guys, it doesn't come out.